Into this video we're going to see how to set up an object relationship CSV Parser ETL part 2. For this demo we prepared an OBJREL CSV file with the same content we presented in the previous part. So 6 lines representing the relationships between two storage pools and a SAN included into a root app. The same file named OBJREL.csv has been uploaded on a remote ETL engine into folder OPT, BMC, BCO in prepository sample OBJREL, as visible in the command line behind the main text editor. So let's try to configure an ETL to parse this file and see what comes out of the execution. Let's add a new ETL. Select the generic object relationship CSV parser. We'll execute in simulation mode for now. We'll keep a shared entity catalog for the sake of importing data common with other systems, but for our test it would be good also private relationship. We'll call it video generic object relationship CSV parser. The header columns are standard, so we can keep finding data. Otherwise, if the headers would not be standard, we could have listed the header of the file inside here. The CSV separator again is a comma, so can be easily identified by the ETL. There's no need to specify any custom CSV separator. The file location is local, and as we said just a few seconds ago, this is the path on the remote ETL engine. We can choose to add the .done extension once the file is parsed. For testing purposes, you can also leave do nothing to repeatedly import the same file. Into ETL task properties, we'll choose our remote ETL and then save. Let's try to run the ETL in simulation mode and see what happens. As you can see, the processing was successful. Let's take a look at the OBJREL temporary dataset file created. So as you can see, all the lines have been imported and recognized. Let's see the effect once the data sender task is run with the ETL without simulation. Let's run the ETL after removing the simulation mode. So we removed the simulation mode. Let's run it again. The execution is successful. Let's wait for the data sender task to run. These are the data sender task logs. As you can see, the object relationship file has been processed and 6 lines have been added as changes detected in assert mode. Let's see the effect on the tree. As you can see, the storage has been added and the resource pool inside have been put inside the storage. So the relationship import has been successful.